Hello everyone, welcome back to another text-to-video AI video. In this one, we're going to talk about text-to-video. And not only that, we're going to talk about Decoherence. You can go to their website, decoherence.co. I'll put a link in the description, and you can make some pretty wild videos. Let me show you what you can make, then I'm going to show you the app itself. So if I hit this button here, I made 3 videos using it, and here's what I got. Basically, what I did, and this is kind of cool, right? I got bulldogs playing poker kind of thing where they play in their cards. Then I've got some synthwave punk type thing going on here where a guy's reading his book, doing his thing. Maybe I'll make it a little bigger here for you so you can see it. Pretty cool stuff. Aha type video if you remember the 80s. And then I got a cool zoomy video where Shakespeare's reading a book and stuff. Anyways, here we go, guys. It's decoherence.co. You can join the waitlist as you can see here. And what it basically allows you to do is write some prompts and it will create videos. Let's go to the app now. So here's the app. I'm using the Mac version. There is a PC version as well. And when you open it, you basically create creations, for lack of a better word. So you get to create creations. When I click on this, you'll see here I've got a few finished, testing, zooming, etc. So let's create one. I'll show you the steps. First off, you click on the AI style. You can select one of 4 different styles at the moment. Keep in mind, this is still a relatively new tool and it's in beta, so it's going to have more and more things added to it, and their developers are very responsive. So the AI style, there's one of 4 different styles, as you can see here. On the left side, you can also change the duration and the frames per second. So 24 frames per second is basically the equivalent of like film. So at 12 frames per second, this one, it's basically you get to see every second frame. So it gives it that sort of stop motion, jerky motion. But again, you guys can adjust this as you see fit, as well as the duration. I've selected 10 seconds, but I believe it defaults to 20. Also, you can change the zoom level. So if you want it to be zoomed in or zoomed out, you can go ahead and do that here. And let's go a little further. In terms of other things, while I got you here, I might as well show you quickly right now. You can, the number of steps, of course, increases. The more steps, the more quality, but it takes a lot longer to render. And then, of course, guidance for those of you that are familiar with Stable Diffusion and Midjourney and stuff like that. It's basically how close to the prompt do you need to be? Like how much latitude do you give the program? Also, you can import your own audio, or you can use some of their own audio. I've got some upbeat and exciting hipster music in there, whatever the heck that is. And last but not least, and most importantly, the prompts. You just go ahead and add in your prompts like this. So if I wanted to make something about, like, let's say, you know, like I did 3 dogs playing poker, I just go ahead and go 3 dogs playing poker. And presto, that's it. Then I would just go ahead and click on send to queue if I wanted to do that. You could, of course, name this. I'll call this 3 dogs. And then I would just click on this send to queue button. Unfortunately, I've used up all of my plans, so unfortunately, I don't have anything there. One of the things that I think in future iterations, hopefully they take a look at adding in, you know, a preview option as well as like a demo or a beta or a watermark version. They don't have that at the moment. It's pay to play right out of the gate. So hopefully they look at that in the future. But there you go. And again, guys, you make videos just like this. And if I hit play, presto, you know, these are pretty cool videos. And again, awesome stuff. It's coming along, guys. Thanks for watching. Ton more stuff coming up. Stay tuned.